I'm sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe.
What is up, guys? This is Crazy EP Guy bringing you an unboxing video today. It is from Monster Shine Car Care, and this is their 9-bottle detailing kit. And we're going to see basically what we get sent out. At the moment it's been reduced to £50. I also have a cheeky little discount on there for their website. If you stay till the end of the video, and you'll be able to catch the discount code there. Go there, redeem it, buy some new brushes, accessories, or get one of these detailing kits. We're going to go through, see what they're all like, and then we'll get them tested out. So let's see what we got first. Cheeky little Haribo Star Mix. Only made round corner from me. Probably travelled further. Okay. Got a little decal there. Oh look, pups. That's going to be a mess. We've got 1, 2. More knockoff puffs. Not cheesy puffs, I definitely don't eat these. Right. Nearly there. Well, the packaging is really well done. Done really well with the packaging. Okay, oh, this looks interesting. So, we have got Cherry Bomb Detailer, quick detailer. Oh wow! It's definitely cherry, but it reminds me more of a Bakewell tart. Don't know if everyone has Bakewell tarts. Mr. Kipling's Exceedingly Good Cakes. Another plug in there. We got yeah, quick detailer Cherry Bomb. Sounds interesting. Oh right, okay. And we got a apple shampoo. Right, thick. Have a whiff of this one and all. Smells like stuff that you'd actually put in your hair, like the original sauce stuff. What we got here? Okay, we got a wheel cleaner, lemon ice, and it's suitable for all wheel types. So that's great, because if you got powder coat or chrome, sometimes you've got to be a bit careful with what sort of products you use. As one of my friends found out after having his wheels redone and then used a cleaner thinking it was safe, and it destroyed his rims. But, yeah, lemon ice. Let's whiff of this one as well. Got to smell them all. If it's got a flavour in it, there's scent to it. Got to. Ooh. Got some beautiful scents to them. This car's going to smell better than me. And it's a shit box. Oh wow, so we've got chocolate sauce interior dressing. Is it going to be that strong though? Oh yeah, yeah, that's chocolate, all right. Was not ready for that one. Wow, that smacks you in the face, that one. Aqua Gloss tyre dressing. Well, it doesn't say there's any sort of fragrance to this, but we'll give it a smell anyway, just to see if we can figure out what it is. No real fragrance to that all, just apart from I've got chemicals in me. Right, what else we got? Tar and glue remover, tarantula. I've never really smelt a tarantula because, you know, they backfire their hairs at you if they get startled, and ain't nobody want that. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna be high as a kite. Wow. That's yeah. I'd say that's what that one is. Alright, so we've got Cyclone Snow Foam.
A few moments later.
I wonder what Cyclone smells of. That's interesting. I've smelt that somewhere before, but I can't put my finger on it. Good though. Next one. Redemption Fallout Remover Decon. Right, so it looks like this needs a shake. Yeah, definitely needs a shake that. Right.
One eternity later.
Don't think there's any smell to this one either, so. But got to give it, haven't you? Wow. Alright. So if anyone was an 80s kid and that is basically stink bombs from back in 90s, them little glass ones that you used to stand on. That's what that smells like. Jesus, you can tell that's made to strip it off. We've got another chocolate sauce. We've got 2 chocolate sauces, whee! Is it as strong as the other one? Yep. So 2 chocolate sauces, nice one. And last one is glass cleaner. I shouldn't be smelling this stuff, but got to test everything. Don't test that one. I probably look like a right crackhead. Right, so yeah, that's everything. So that's everything that you get in the box. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8. I got 10 bottles. It's only meant to be 9. I ain't complaining. Paid 50 quid for that. Been in touch with them. They seem like a really nice company. They gave me a discount code to pass on to you guys. I'm going to do a review on all the products when I use them, which should be in the next couple of weeks, if not before, because my car is an absolute state. But we've got a car show coming up, so I may save them for that. If not, I'll be doing them in the next couple of days. So if you head on over to that video and have a look at these products and see what you think to them, I'll be able to give you my honest opinion on if they're worth the money. Personally, if they perform as well as the smell, then gonna be laughing. For price and what's there, you've got all these little things, and plus I've got the cheeky discount for you, so don't forget that one. So I'm gonna end this video now. That was my unboxing on the Monster Shine Car Care Detailing Kit. It is, as I say, priced at £50 at the moment. This video has not been sponsored or endorsed or anything like that by Monster Shine themselves. They just passed me a discount code on because I just said that I was going to do a video about their products, and they said, oh yeah, there's this discount code. I asked them if I could pass it on, and they said yeah. So if you actually look down below, should be the link in the description for the discount code. Head over there, pick up some new cleaning stuff, get yourself a cheeky discount, or go to my next video, which will be using all these products and get my honest opinion on whether they're worth the money, and then purchase them. It's up to you. Either dice to death and just plunge into it like I did, or wait for the review and see if they're actually worth the money. Times are hard at the moment, I get that. You know, it will be soon. So, well, I want to thank everyone for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.